WhatsApp link share. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can share our WhatsApp links, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to share your WhatsApp link, first of all, what are you talking about? Are you talking about your profile link, so that when people click on that link they'll be redirected to your chat and they can chat with you directly? Well, you can actually do that, but not from WhatsApp itself, because WhatsApp itself doesn't provide that feature. But what you can actually do is there is a link creator website known as create.wa.link, right? So I'll make sure to drop a link below. Go to create.wa.link. Do not worry, this is completely safe. All you have to do is just tap on this little option here. So just tap on create a free WhatsApp link, then tap on it. Then all you have to do is simply enter your mobile number. Then once you enter your mobile number over here, you'll be able to go ahead and tap on generate my WhatsApp link, and then it will create a link for you and you can share that link with others. And next time whenever people click on that link, they will be redirected to your WhatsApp chat, and of course they will have the number as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.